I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast at home.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
I take a shower after I wake up.
I take a shower after I wake up.
I get dressed quickly.
I get dressed quickly.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I read the news on my phone.
I read the news on my phone.
I have lunch at noon.
I have lunch at noon.
I cook dinner at home.
I cook dinner at home.
I drink a glass of water before every meal.
I drink a glass of water before every meal.
I watch TV in the evening.
I watch TV in the evening.
I go to the supermarket once a week.
I go to the supermarket once a week.
I call my mother every day.
I call my mother every day.
I clean the house on Saturdays.
I clean the house on Saturdays.
I do my homework after school.
I do my homework after school.
I take a walk in the park in the evening.
I take a walk in the park in the evening.
I water the plants every morning.
I water the plants every morning.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I meet my friends on weekends.
I meet my friends on weekends.
I listen to music while I cook.
I listen to music while I cook.
I check my email in the morning.
I check my email in the morning.
I take the dog for a walk every evening.
I take the dog for a walk every evening.
I turn off the lights before I sleep.
I turn off the lights before I sleep.